Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am back with a fresh review of a very known product right now, which is widespread on social media. Products from Hyphen, जो कि co-owned by Kriti Sanon है, and these products are there in the market. It's all over social media, and that is the reason I was forced to buy them. I had to try them, in fact, I would say, and give you a genuine review. So I have taken two products from Hyphen, which is the Golden Hour Glow Serum, and second is the Golden Hour Glow Sunscreen SPF 50. Right. So let's start our review. I have to tell you that these are my second bottles, so of course I have been very happy with this product. In fact, जो ये claim करते हैं वो exactly यही product है. Golden Glow सीरम इन्होंने बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुली मार्केट किया है, एंड यू कैन सी अ लॉट ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंसर्स टॉक अबाउट इट, एंड आई हैव टू टेल यू every word that they say is true about this fabulous product. So this is my second bottle, as you can see, and I have been using it regularly, and I see a lot of changes in my skin as well. So just showing you how the bottle looks like. So it's a cute little bottle with a very beautiful finish. It is a very good finished bottle, and छोटी सी bottle है, beautiful सा color है, and there's a pump in it. So we'll talk about the product and I'll show you how it looks. This product is called Golden Hour Glow Serum, which has kakadu plaminate, hyaluronic acid, alpha butane, and niacinamide in it. So the bottle and the pack, they talk a lot, and it clearly says what it does, how to use it, and when to use it. It's a fragrance-free vegan product, PETA certified, zero plastic footprint, SLS and paraben, and alcohol-free. So that is very important. So let's talk about how the product feels on the skin. So it is a little pump here, okay. I'll show you what it does and how it looks. ये एक मैंने single इसका pump लिया है. It's a clear, transparent, very light gel-like liquid, okay, and it spreads beautifully on the hand, on the skin. Butter से भी ज़्यादा smooth है, is what I would say, and gets absorbed in a jiffy. बहुत जल्दी absorb होता है. It's a very light product, moisturizing, and the sheen that it gives you is wow. अभी शायद आपको स्क्रीन पे इतना समझ में नहीं आ रहा होगा. इनफैक्ट मैंने जब इसको पहली बार यूज़ किया, आई फेल्ट मॉइस्चराइज्ड, आई फेल्ट गुड, बट आफ्टर सम minutes or maybe half an hour के बाद, when I looked at the mirror, I was swayed. The kind of sheen it brings to your skin, वो glowy dewy effect, it is wow, it is mesmerizing. It's a very very light textured product, और जो इसका sheen है वो पूरा पैसा वसूल है. Right, so I often use it. In fact, I use it every day after bathing. So this is the first product that I use on my skin. ओके, एंड एज दिस से अगर आपका AM रूटीन में आप इसे यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो बिफोर मॉइस्चराइज़र सनस्क्रीन के यूज़ करिए, और अगर रात को यूज़ कर रहे हैं तो यू हैव टू फॉलो अप विद द मॉइस्चराइज़र. सो इट वर्क्स एज अ वेरी गुड बेस फॉर मेकअप एज वेल. सो जब से मैंने हाइफन के प्रोडक्ट ये दो यूज़ किए हैं, आई हैव नॉट कैरीड माई मेकअप. सो जस्ट दिस ग्लो सीरम एंड दिस सनस्क्रीन and my lipstick is all that I've needed to get that shine. So you can see the difference in my two hands. The sheen is very different and it glides beautifully. तो इसको आप आराम से अंडर मेकअप एज अ प्राइमर, एज अ मॉइस्चराइजर यूज़ करिए. इवन इफ़ यू यूज़ इट एवरी डे, you will see a remarkable change in the skin texture. So this is one product that is going to remain in my vanity, in my travel bag always. In love with this product. So Hyphen Golden Glow our serum को देते हैं हम 10 on 10, and I will recommend that you buy and use this product at least once. Right, now next product that I want to talk to you about is this Golden Glow sunscreen, which is SPF 50. Okay, this also has 100% kakadu, 10% kakadu plum extract, peptides, mandarin extract, green tea extract. Right, it is for all skin types. It comes in a cute little tube, and all the ingredients are clearly mentioned here. Right, and it's a very transparent kind of a brand that they have mentioned everything about it, right? Whether it is about ingredients or the cautions that they want to write, बहुत क्लियरली मेंशन किया है, डिटेल में भी इन्होंने बताया है कि इन्होंने क्या क्या हाइफन किया है इनके इंग्रेडिएंट्स में, right? So I'll just show you how the product looks. Here it is. So this is the Golden Hour Glow Sunscreen SPF 50. SPF 50 है तो it makes it ideal to be used in very sunny conditions. Just what you need. It comes in a thin bottle like this, and I'll show you how the product looks. See, it is highly pigmented. And I'm using it on the same hand जहाँ पे मैंने ये गोल्डन ग्लो एंड सीरम यूज़ किया था, सो डैट यू कैन सी वो बेस के ऊपर ये कितना बढ़िया ग्लाइड होता है. सो इट्स अ वेरी पिगमेंटेड प्रोडक्ट. ओके, and it is again very moisturizing and smooth and glides swiftly. ये आपके फेस पे इतना बढ़िया गोल्डन ग्लो लेके आता है that you really don't need any makeup. Of course, for concealing, if you have some pigmentation on the skin, you can use a concealer, but as a makeup base, this golden glow bar serum और उसके ऊपर एक ये sunscreen does the job. You can see the sheen, see how beautifully it is making the skin glow golden. बहुत ही अच्छा स्मेल करता है ये, very mild, so you don't have a problem with it, and the texture is as buttery as possible, and you can see it's absorbed so quickly. Now if I have to show you, see, you can see the sheen here, how beautifully you can see the difference in the two hands, right? तो ये दो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जिनको मैं अब अपने वैनिटी में, अपने ट्रैवल बैग में फॉर श्योर कैरी करती हूँ. इनफैक्ट वेन एवर आई हैव टू क्विकली स्टेप आउट, जस्ट दीज टू एंड माई लिपस्टिक डज द मैजिक. It's a very nice product, and I'll highly recommend that you use it once and see कि आपका एवरीडे रूटीन, आपका मेकअप रूटीन कितना क्विक हो जाएगा. इट रियली सॉल्व्स द प्रॉब्लम. SPF 50 है तो आपको सनस्क्रीन का भी पूरा इससे कवरेज मिलता है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, फॉर नाइट मेकअप एंड ऑल, आई हाईली रिकमेंड यूजिंग दिस कॉम्बिनेशन. So try this, buy the product. Let me know in comments how much do you like it, and if there are more products from Hyphen that you would want me to review, comment below and I'll do that. Hope you like the review, and stay connected till I bring some more interesting products for you all. Bye bye, take care.